And off we go. Woo. That was close. It's 40 degrees today, but we came here to make the video. So this area is usually where we do our slalom races with the cars, and I brought the Lancia to test it. Also, I reinforced the interior with this stuff over here and some silicone, and on some spots we lost the paint, and I bought a new can so I can fix this, because I didn't know that I have to scrap it and I didn't make it right. So let's set the RC and let's try it. So I've set the height to be like how can I say, a proper rally car with some height. So like, subscribe, let's go to the GoPro and see the footage. That's the brushless Tamiya. Alright, now I set the GoPro on the remote, so I'm gonna start it. That's the 2S battery to see what it can do, and then we go to the 3S. Oh, that was a nice plan. Okay, I think the one side is higher. Right, now I set the steering wheel where it should be. Okay, we had a crash. We make any damage? No, we are good. Let me see if I can find something to put on the 3S, because the 3S is too big for the RC. So in order to make this video, I found some way. I put the clip on and I had the zip tie this, and this on the back wishbone doesn't bother something because it has the move. So we only care to be in straight position. So now let's try it with the 3S battery. Alright, back to GoPro. 3S battery now on. Oh, now it's a lot heavier. Okay, so far so good. Let's try. Okay, too much power. I don't like how the differential are sounding. Okay, that was good. Too much power. I don't think the differential can handle this. So the 2S is the ideal one. And off we go. Woo. That was close. Okay. And we lost the tire. It came off. What happened here? The speed was too much, one tire, the glue didn't hold. We have to put more glue. Okay, let's make one last pass. Okay, the differentials are not holding. Okay, too much power for the stock transmission. So we have to be more gentle. Okay boys, that was for today's video. We tested the TT02 first time outside on the proper speed. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Please help the channel to grow. See you in the next episode.